So what I'm doing today is basically creating a new swatch reference chart for my Pantone markers. I just did a clear out of all my old pens, thrown out all the ones that are not working anymore, apart from the first two colours, because I use those greys an awful lot and I need to get replacements before I can actually bring myself to get rid of those two, because I use them for a lot of my shadow work. The idea is that basically you create the swatches for all your various colours on the paper that you're going to use. The colours that you see on the side of the pen don't always match up, and depending on the texture of the paper, its absorbency, its thickness, various factors, it can vary even quite a bit from what you think is going to look on one sheet of paper to another, and obviously once it dries as well it can change a lot. So what I tend to do is create a little grid, just a simple set of squares and some rows for each kind of colour. So I'll have greys, browns, skin tones, pinks, blues, greens, reds, whatever it may be. And once they're all dried up, I'll just put a note on them of which pen it was. So sometimes with the Electroset ones at least, they can have a name and they can also have a code. I tend to, depending on what the name is, try and put the name in the box. If it's a big enough box, it's quite hard on a sketch card. But on larger sheets of paper that I would use for A4 work, you can obviously do much larger boxes, so you have plenty of room. But anything that really lets you identify what it is, so that when you come to do a new colour piece on a sketch card, you can quickly see the shade of blue, pink, purple that you want to use, and it just makes it a lot easier and quicker to identify the right colour. Although this may seem like a bit of a faff and hassle to set up, it will save you a lot of time in the long run. It's much easier to have a reference sheet close by when you need to decide on the colours that you're going to use, and obviously you can also add to it as you get more markers.